Welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is different types of order block. I know many of you will be wondering, okay, order block, how do we know which order blocks are more valid? Other blocks have rules and regulation. You know, it must be the last candle before the impulse move. And there is one thing that makes an order block very, very strong, and that is our fair value gap. When you see a fair value gap near an order block, be rest assured that that order block is a valid order block. Now, the first order block that we know, which is the bearish momentum, I'll start with the way I numbered it here. So it's higher high, higher low, higher high, sorry, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, there's always a candle that is here. If you're always on the chart, there's always a candle that is here, like a swing point. Another candle is always here again that comes out with it, that continues the change of the trend, and it comes out like this, right? This for a bearish scenario. What do? We are going to mark the last bullish candle before that change took place. Because why? Market always come back to that zone. Market will come back to that zone before it continues its trend as a bearish momentum. Now for now for a bullish momentum, we all know that market does higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now we always see a last bearish candle here that signals that market is selling before an impulse move comes in here, sometimes like in an engulfing candle mode, and it continues like this again. What do? You're going to mark this last bearish candle here as your order block. Make sure it has a fair value gap. Why is that? Because it took out liquidity, this buy side liquidity. Market took out that buy side liquidity, will come back into that order block here and continue its direction. But that's how you know a valid order block. When it creates a break of structure, it has a fair value gap. We know that yes, this will make it a valid order block. The last candle here before the impulse move, it took out liquidity on this upper end here, and also a fair value gap. That is for a bullish order block. Now, how do we know SND? Now, this SND, many traders out there don't know what they call SND, and sometimes markets react in that direction, and you wonder, why is market reacting there? What is happening? You look at your chart. Am I doing something wrong? Why is market reacting there? Now, SND is where you see a candle scenario. You see a bearish candle like this. You see a bearish candle like this. That is for a sell. You will now see one bullish candle that is a buy candle here. Later on, you see a bearish candle like this. You see a bearish candle like this, right? Sell, sell, buy, sell, sell. Sell, sell, buy, sell, sell. Supply and demand. That's what SND is. Now, there's high tendency that market will come and react there. Because why? There was a sell scenario where the sellers were in, but the buyers were trying to force their way in, meaning there was a form of order that was there that did not take place. Now, the sellers came again and said, I'm not going to allow you come in here and take my place. The sellers came and push the buyers away, and it continues selling. It has made that zone to be a valid zone for market to come and react in. The same scenario goes for a buy scenario. Market is buying again, and later on you just see one stupid sell candle come in here, like a sell candle come in here, then it continues its buy again. So what do we have? Buy, buy, sell, buy, buy. Can you see that now? Supply and demand. Now, the demand, those that are demanding the price, that's the buyers, are coming in. But the sellers are coming. I want to take my place in here. I want to take my place in here. The buyer said, no, 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 no. You gotta go. You gotta go. Then the buyers push the sellers away, making that environment a point of market to react in. I will show you on the chart. Firstly, I will start with break of structure, right? Now, how do we know a valid break of structure? Market has done what? Market has done a break of structure here. This is a strong break of structure from here on a swing point. But if you look inside here, there was a break of structure here. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Can you see that now? There was a break of structure here. making this last bearish candle a form of what? An order block. Can you see that there? In form of what? An order block. That is what we know as what? Our break of structure for a bullish scenario. Now, for a bearish scenario, how do we know a break of structure for a bearish scenario? I'm trying to find you one here, and I'm going to also show you SNG on this chart so you can know where market are going to react in. Now, for a bearish scenario, we have market took out this swing point here and created a break of structure here. What am I seeing? I'm seeing the last bullish candle here before the impulse move for the sell. I'm going to mark it here like this, and you can see that market came in there and reacted there. It also obeyed the rules. We have a liquidity void and a minor inside fair value gap, making that other block to be a strong zone. Now, you remember I told you about SND where I explained the three other blocks I usually categorize as my form of order block. You can see this, right? Sell, sell, buy, sell. See this sell long candle, sell, sell. The buyers are trying to force their way in here. Can you see it? Sell, sell, buy, sell, sell. The buyers wanted to come in here and pull it up, but the seller said, never. You're not doing that to me. I'm here. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. And you can see what they did, right? It became a zone for an order before it came and took out liquidity in here to actually make this valid order block to be valid. But you can see here that market reacted there as a form of respect. Sell, sell, buy, sell, sell, SND. I'm going to find a lot of SNDs for you, and you'll be amazed how market comes around there and react. Don't forget also, when you are trading SND, please do not forget to also use your Fibonacci to know whether you're buying at the right price or you're buying at the low price. It will help you a lot. Trying to find another SND for you. If you can go around your chart and find SND, you can see this buy, buy, sell, buy, 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 sell. You can mark around that area. There's high tendency in the future market might come and act very stupid around that side. It's just you cannot really tell where market is going to. We're all trading in probability. We're all trading in probability. But you can see what happened. Do you see in the future? Can you see that? SND candles are something that is not really preached out in the forex industry, but those that know how to use it are always saying that, oh, if you know how to use SND and your Fibonacci, you are good to go. So I always categorize order blocks as three type of order blocks in my own category in this format. So I always say bearish order block, bullish order block, and SND. And you can see markets came back in how long the market even stay? From November last year, it came and reacted there in 14th of February. Can you see it? So when you see SND candles also, I myself categorize it as a break of, as a form of order block, my bearish order block and my bullish order block. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, tap on the subscription button, ask your question on the comment section, share to your friends that are struggling to know how to trade. They should come here and say, oh, they are actually going to learn a lot from this channel. Thank you so much.